Hello and welcome to Ebuzor Corner TV. Today I'm showcasing Ofe Owerri, alright, the Owerri soup, and it's made mainly from the pumpkin leaf, and you have the palm oil, you have the crayfish, you have the dry fish, you have the stockfish, you have assorted meat. That includes the beef and all the intestine, body, the body parts of the meat. Very, very nutritious. When you cook it, you make it a little bit light. It's not that thick. The achi there is used to thicken it a little bit, but after that, it comes out really, really nice, with the palm oil, which, contains a lot of vitamin A, and, it helps you, in your eyesight, it just, and then the leafy vegetables, I can't overemphasize the importance, as you eat them fresh that way. You can see it in that place as we prepare it. It's just amazing. It's so hot. I can't wait to, enjoy this. And the same thing you can do, by just getting, one or two of those ingredients. You can order it online or go to London and buy it, or just go to any Afro-Caribbean shop. You can get all these things and then make sure you enjoy yourself. If this is your first time of coming here or you're returning, please help us subscribe, like and share and comment on this recipe. It's Ofe Owerri. If you need it personally, please send me, just say hello on the comment section, and I will send the recipe down to you straight ahead. All right, you can also tell me the part of the world you are watching from, and I will be glad to share one of or two of the ideas that we get here. So please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget. All right, this is Ofe Owerri, the Owerri soup. God bless you for watching. Thanks.